Hello everyone, I am Professor S.R. Kale from Kekewa College of Food Technology. Today I am here with another topic of biotechnology, that is polymerase chain reaction. We will begin with the PCR. What is PCR? That is polymerase chain reaction. The PCR, that is polymerase chain reaction, is a technique used in molecular biotechnology to amplify a single copy or a few copies of segment of DNA across several order of magnitude, generating thousands to millions of copies of a particular DNA sequence. Then discovery, it is developed in the year 1983 by Carey Mullis. PCR is now a common technique used in clinical and research laboratory for a broad variety of applications. In 1993, Mullis was awarded the Nobel Prize in the chemistry for his work on PCR. The component of PCR. DNA template. DNA template is a DNA target sequence. DNA template is the DNA molecule that contains the DNA region, that is segment, to be amplified. The segment we are concerned, which is the target sequence. Then DNA polymerase. DNA polymerase sequentially adds nucleotide complementary to template strand at 3'OH of the bound primer and synthesizes new strand of DNA complementary to the target sequence. The most commonly used DNA polymerase is Taq DNA polymerase from Thermus aquatica, a thermophilic bacteria, because of high temperature stability. PFU, that is DNA polymerase from Pyrococcus furiosus, is also used widely because of its higher fidelity. Primer are synthetic DNA strand of about 18 to 25 nucleotide complementary to 3' of the template strand. DNA polymerase starts synthesizing new DNA from 3' of the primer. See here you can see the structure of 3' and 5' In the first structure, it is begin with the 5' with sense strand, it end with 3' and in case of second structure, it is begin with 3' with antisense strand and end with 5'. Then the design of primer. Primer should bind to template with good specify and strength. If primer do not bind to correct template, wrong sequence will get amplified. Optimal primer sequences and appropriate primer concentration are essential for maximal specificity and efficiency in PCR. Then procedure. There are 3 major steps in PCR which are repeated for 30 or 40 cycles. This is done on an automated cycler which can heat and cool the tube with the reaction mixture in a very short time. Next is denaturation at 94 degrees Celsius. During the heating step, denaturation, the reaction mixture is heated to 94 degrees Celsius for 1 minute, which causes separation of DNA stranded. Now each strand acts as a template for synthesis of complementary strand. Here the structure of denaturation is given. Next is annealing at 54 degrees Celsius. This step consists of cooling of reaction mixture after denaturation step to 54 degrees Celsius, which causes hybridization, that is annealing of primers to separate strand of DNA template. The length of GC content, that is guanine cytosine content of the primer, should be sufficient for stable being with template. Guanine pair with cytosine with 3 hydrogen bond, adenine bind with thymine with 2 hydrogen bond. Thus higher GC content results in stronger binding. In case GC content is less, length may be increased to have stronger binding, more number of hydrogen bonding between primer and template. Extension at 72 degrees Celsius. The reaction mixture is heated to 72 degrees Celsius, which is the ideal working temperature for the Taq polymerase. The polymerase added nucleotide DNTPs complementary to template on 3-OH of primer, thereby extending the new strand. Application of PCR. It is used in molecular biology and genetic disease research to identify new genes. Then in field of anthropology and evaluation, sequences of degraded ancient DNA can be tracked after PCR amplifications. With its extensivity, sensitivity and high selectivity, PCR has been used for one-time human identification and validated in crime labs for mixed sample forensic casework. Fourth is PCR permit early diagnosis of malignant disease such as leukemia and lymphomas. And the last one is PCR polymerase reaction for site-directed mutagenesis. This technique is used for introduction of mutation at the desired place in a DNA sequence. So guys, here we are completed with our polymerase chain reaction topic along with its application.